Johnny Depp's highly publicized trial against the Sun newspaper continued on day 7. Evidence presented on Wednesday revealed further details about the actor's financial troubles. Depp's former assistant asked Johnny about his lavish spending and if he ever had any concerns about his excessive purchases. Depp replied that he was aware of how it all looked but denied buying items for purely extravagant reasons. He also testified about his heavy drinking and how it impacted his lifestyle. The court also heard from friends of Amber Heard, including her former co-worker, who detailed how difficult it was for her to escape the situation she was in. The witness spoke of the emotional distress Heard was in at the time and how Depp's physical and emotional abuse was taking a toll on her. Another witness testified that Depp had once threatened to kill Heard, though Depp himself has denied the allegations. The court also heard from a former security guard who had worked for the couple. He detailed the numerous times he witnessed Depp behave in a violent manner towards Heard. Day 7 of the trial was filled with damaging testimony and evidence against Johnny Depp. Lawyers for each side presented their closing arguments to the court. The Sun's lawyer urged the judge to take into consideration the evidence presented in order to make a determination. Depp's lawyer, on the other hand, highlighted the inconsistencies in the evidence and the lack of credible witnesses. The trial is expected to continue for another week or so before a ruling is handed down. If the court finds in favor of the Sun, then Johnny Depp could be facing a hefty fine and other monetary damages. The outcome of the trial could have serious implications for Depp's future in the entertainment industry. It could also set a precedent for how public figures can be held accountable for their actions in the future. Day 7 of the trial ended with little closure and much ambiguity as to how this case will ultimately play out. Both parties await the judge's decision, though it is unclear when the ruling will come. Johnny Depp has maintained his innocence throughout the trial and is hoping for a favorable ruling. It remains to be seen whether or not the Sun will be able to prove their case against him in court. In the meantime, the case is continuing, and Day 8 of the trial is set to begin on Thursday. It promises to be another long and intense day of arguments and evidence. Both sides are eager to put their best case forward in order to sway the judge's decision.